Hello everyone, welcome to Aesthetic Food Tech. So in this video, I am going to discuss about factors affecting crystallization. So let us look what are the factors that affect crystallization. And they are, first one, nature of crystallizing substance. Second one, concentration of solution. Third one, agitation or stirring. Fourth one, impurities. And finally, addition of acid. Let us discuss about each factor one by one. First one, nature of crystallizing substance. Sugar crystallization depends upon the nature of sugar that is taken. Some sugars do not have the ability to form large crystals, for example glucose. Glucose undergoes rapid nuclear formation, hence results in the production of small crystals. Factor number 2, concentration of solution or saturation of the solution. Sugar crystallization depends upon concentration of sugar solution that is taken or saturation of the solution that taken for crystallization process. Large amount of sugar can dissolve in water, and if the temperature of water is higher, the sugar dissolved will be more and it occurs at a faster rate. But different types of sugars have different solubility in water. For example, glucose and maltose are less soluble compared to sucrose. So, when these sugars are taken in large proportion, more water will be required to dissolve it. Now, let us look what is the right condition for crystallization. And they are right temperature and right concentration. Also, when crystallization occurs at lower temperature, the crystals formed will be small. And also, we require supersaturated sugar solution to undergo crystallization. If the solution taken is not supersaturated, crystallization will not occur. For example, gulab jamun and jalebi. Factor number 3, agitation or stirring. Sugar crystallization depends upon agitation or stirring process. It favors the formation of finer crystals. We have to stir or agitate sugar solution not only at the beginning of crystallization process but also till the process or until the process is complete. Factor number 4, impurities. Sugar crystallization depends upon the presence of impurities. For example, the presence of glucose interfere with the crystallization process of sucrose, and also flour, fat, milk, nuts, etc. interfere with crystal formation. In the production of Mysore pak, flour and fat interfere with crystallization process. So, let us come to the final factor that affect crystallization, and that is addition of acid. Sugar crystallization depends upon the addition of acids such as lemon juice and vinegar. For example, citric acid is added in jams and jellies to prevent crystallization. Also, in sweet pickle when mango is added, it prevents crystallization process.